Okay, let's start. So first, let's try to create a new virtual machine. So let's say master one. So let's call it a K8s K8s master one. Yeah. Okay. So so here is just a quick preview on what I've assigned here. So we have these IP addresses allocated to us. So in this example, I can basically create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 virtual machines, and then use one virtual IP to route traffic to the masters. So this is what I'm gonna use. So let's create the first one. Centos 7. So let's say the virtual disk. So before I change to this, let's have a quick look on the minimum requirements. So here for Cube ADM minimum requirements for the masters. That is a Centos 7 server, 2 GB RAM, 2 CPUs. Didn't say anything about hard disk, so I think 200 GB is more than enough. I think we can even get away with much less. So let's just assign them to 200 GB because we've got plenty of space here. All right. Okay, now let's have a look at the newly created servers. Okay, slightly slower than I thought on this virtual machine. But yeah, so we've got 2 GB of memory, 2 CPU. We need a floppy drive, and we need to use a ISO image. So we're using Centos 7, 1805, and minimal. So connect it. Okay. All right. So virtual machine is being turned on. Okay. Yeah, let's launch. That's a bit slow. Okay, let's install Centos 7. Okay, so I have a UK keyboard. Okay, so minimal install, local media, and let's partition this. Yeah, just let's partition it to assign more space to this. just be easy, right? Let's just give 16. That's more than enough for home. The rest can all go to here. You might all have different way of partitioning your hard disk. Whichever you need to do, just make sure you have enough space to actually install the software, Kubernetes software.
Okay, now I just need to assign the correct IP address to the first master server. Yeah, just let me get all the IP addresses. Yeah, it's here. So yeah, well, let's put in the first master's IP address, some netmask and the gateway. The rest can be configured later on. And then we set all the relevant passwords and the users. Then we got a VM set up, prepared for Kubernetes installation for our first node. In the next video, we will set up the Kubernetes on the virtual machine created.